A guide to freedom. The cash flow quadrant is not set of rules. It is only a guide for those who wish to use it. I guided Kim and me from financial struggle to financial security and then to financial freedom. We did not want to spend every day of our lives having to get up and work for money. The difference between the rich and everyone else. A few years ago, I read this article that said most rich people received 70% of their income from investments or the I quadrant and less than 30% of wages from E quadrant. And if they were an E, the chances were that they were employees of their own corporation. For most everyone else, the poor and middle class, at least 80% of their income comes from wages from E and S quadrants and less than 20% from investments or I quadrant. The difference between being rich and being wealthy. There is a difference between being rich and being wealthy. By 1989, our business was making us a lot of money. We were earning more and working less because the business system was growing without any more physical effort on our part. We had achieved what most people would consider financial success. We still needed to convert the cash flow coming from business into even more tangible asset that would throw off additional cash flow. We had grown our business into success, and it was now time to focus on growing our assets to the point where cash flow from all of our assets would be greater than our living expenses. In actuality, our business would also be considered an asset because it generated income and operated without much physical input. For our own personal sense of wealth, we wanted to make sure we had tangible assets such as real estate and stocks that were throwing off more passive income than our expenses. The definition of wealth. The definition of wealth is the number of days you can survive without physically working or anyone else in your household physically working and still maintain your standard of living. For example, if your monthly expenses are $1,000 a month and if you have $3,000 in savings, your wealth is approximately 3 months and 90 days. Wealth is measured in time, not dollars. By 1994, my wife and I were wealthy indefinitely, bearing great economic changes because my income from our investments was greater than our monthly expenses. Ultimately, it is not how much money you make that matters, but how much money you keep and how long that money works for you. Every day, I meet many people who work a lot of money, but all of their money goes out of expense column. Their cash flow pattern looks like this. Every time they make a little more money, they go shopping. They often buy a bigger house or a new car, which results in long term debt and more hard work, and nothing is left to go into the asset column. The money goes out so fast, you think that they took some kind of financial laxative. Red line finances. In the world of cars, there is a saying about keeping the engine at red line. Red line means the throttle is keeping the RPMs of engine as close to the red line or the maximum speed of car's engine can maintain without blowing up.